Absolutely not. The kind of socialization that occurs is confused with the construct of socializing as becoming more social. Do children become more social when they are sent to full-day kindergarten? Yes, in fact, they do. They do become more social, but this is for all the wrong reasons. They lose their shyness, and we find in attachment that shyness is important to be able to protect existing attachments, and so when they lose their shyness with peers, they become more shy around adults. This is not a good thing. They also tend to become peer attached, and when they do so, they pursue contact and closeness with their peers. We think this is social development. In actual fact, it is coming at a great cost, because when children orbit around their peers, they're pulled out of orbit around the adults that are responsible for them, and that is absolutely essential for healthy development. And thirdly, children tend to lose their separation anxiety. So we think, oh my goodness, they're dealing much better. But they're only losing their separation anxiety because they're more attached now to their peers than their adults. This is not a good sign. And there's a fourth thing here, is that when children are in a position of stress, and the research shows that when you're outside of your attachments, the cortisol levels go sky high and you're in a position of stress, is that the brain equips us for a wounding environment. When it does, a child talks less about his hurt feelings, cries less, and we think that children are becoming more resilient. And these are false indicators. They're actually false indicators of socialization, and that's what we misinterpret. And so the research that is not informed by the developmental needs of children, and very little research is, get these markers wrong. But you need to understand children. If you have an intuitive parent, they know something is wrong with this.